and even fame. Social media and influencers have
Pwede
made
ka sa
fashion
kasi
standards,
iwan ka.
that owning trendy items equals beauty and success. But is following every trend really the key to happiness? This is a story of Michelle, a young woman who discovers the truth behind the price of trends. One beautiful evening, her and Michelle were on a date at the park, chatting about the latest fashion.
Aren't these $100 heels just perfect? Let me take a picture.
Hey, yeah, that looks nice. After the date, Michelle heads to the supermarket, hoping to find the same trendy heels she saw earlier.
Good morning, Miss. We have the exact heels that we're looking for. Would you like a pair?
Kasi anya daw mo lang dyan. Ewan dyan dagas.
After taking pictures, Michelle heads home, but accidentally back into the girl carrying the sunglasses.
Watch where you go. Do you even know how much this bag costs?
Baklo niya man na.
Expensive from your old body bag.
Michelle
Sabi nga, hindi naman sinisip. Bawal mo sa bago.
went to the supermarket to purchase the bag.
Oh, it's you again. What are you looking for this time? Great choice.
Diyan na rin baka.
She then take another picture and sends the photo.
Yo, look at this. What is this? Yo, she looks awesome. I mean, I don't see the lace or ducky. Could find out the baby.
After taking the picture, Michelle rushes back to the supermarket, thinking a new bag lifted her more stylish and attractive.
Hey guys, it's me, Glenelle. Look at this, my top-selling lipstick with 20,000 buyers. Wants to look stunning with your loved ones? Get yours now.
Excited, Michelle rushes back to the supermarket to purchase some lipstick.
Anything for you, madam.
Using friendly products and make me more. Using friendly products will make me more.
Of course, everything looks good if you follow the trends. Just like this bag.
Michelle hurries home, eager to show off her new style to her, but she is met with heartbreak.
Hi, look. Guys, my new bag, heels, and lipstick.
I'm sorry, I don't want to hurt you. But I don't want you anymore.
Hello?
I'm done. Honestly, those gentlemen can suit you. Everything popular are not meant for everybody, okay? Maybe that's all.
Girl, even you have that all new stuff, you're still chill.
They walk away, leaving Michelle at the heartbroken. As Michelle sits in her room, she stares at her phone, feeling disappointed that none of the trendy items made her truly happy. Her phone rings. Alexis is calling.
Hangin na naman.
And this is the end of Michelle's story. The influence of mass media on trends is powerful, shaping how we perceive status or success. However, blindly following trends doesn't guarantee happiness or acceptance. True confidence comes from embracing of who you are, not just what's popular. Always remember, style is personal and self-worth isn't defined by expensive heels, bags, or lipstick. Choose what makes you feel good, not what social media tells you to do.